one thing for sure, you can't make this up. These are out here having open marriages, man. Whoever getting it first, newlyweds and all, whoever spreading their legs, spreading their balls, that's what they doing. And they been doing it. It ain't even called an open relationship. It's called open marriages. So, man, we married, and you can do what you want, and I can do what I want. And man, that's how it's gonna be. And well, Jada said it all with that. They said it all. But instead of saying, that swinging.